Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $8,640.47 and $16,320.89 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $6,720.37 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,536.08. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports brilliant agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main cryptographic money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a great many monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary mediators like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are moreover conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local cryptographic money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to construct any protected computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Thus, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our day-to-day routines. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance. One more uplifting sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with sound exchanging movement, upholds this. Hence, in the event that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the main obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is at present worth $1,920.10 USD. ETH has moved 0.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,023,478,183. Ethereum is at present position 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $223,537,706,333 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2,880.25. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2,688.23 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $2,304.20. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ethereum ETH cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,800.41. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,840.33 and a typical exchanging cost of $4,224.36. Ethereum value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $6,720.58, and ETH might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6,144.53 and a low of $5,760.49 in 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. In the event that Ethereum effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $8,640.74, with a base cost of $7,680.66 and a typical cost of $8,064.69. Ethereum value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9,984.86 by 2027, with a base cost of $9,600.82 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $10,560.90. Ethereum value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11,905.02. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $12,481.07. Neglecting to accumulate the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $11,520.99. Ethereum value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $13,441.15 and a yearly cost close above $14,401.23 in 2029. Ethereum value forecast 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at long last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $15,361.32 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $16,321.40, averaging out at $15,745.35. Ethereum value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ETH cost in 2031 is projected to be $18,817.61 in case